Hello folks, my name is Chetan Kumar and today we are going to learn something new. Let's get started with today's session. We are going to develop a bar graph, but a rounded bar graph. So let's get started. Let me drag state to rows, sales to columns. So you have a beautiful looking bar graph in front of you. Just sort it and you can see California having the maximum sales. Now let's make a rounded bar graph. Calculation here, average of 0, drag it to the sales, change the mark type to line and measure names to path. So just increase the size so you will be able to see it properly. Hide this, hide the headers. Then you can see a beautiful looking line bar graph in front of you, rounded bar graph, and you can drag sales, the colors. So now it's easy to identify which state is having the maximum sales and which state is having the least sales. That's all for today's session. Thank you. Have a nice day.